Hello, America. It's Nate Grit Wilson coming back at you. Today, I'm going to teach you all how to do a ratchet strap the proper way. Right here, we got a brand new pack of ratchet straps. These are heavy duty. I know some of you little sissy boys are going to have some little ones, but they're going to work the same. Don't worry. These are some Nate Wilson ratchet straps right here, alright? So we're going to pull them out of the box. You're going to have two pieces. This one is going to be closed. You're going to see a little lever right here. Pull that with your finger and open it up. It's going to extend all the way out. This one, give it a quick whip. Find the end of it. Now you're going to take this. Once you get close right here. See this little groove right here? This is the whole mechanism of the ratchet strap. Take this guy. You're going to feed it through this open end. Just like so. Then you're going to loop it and pull it back through this end. Now, your gun is loaded, my friend. This ratchet strap is ready for use. So how do you use it? Glad you asked. Here we go. You're gonna find the end with the hook. Come over here. Hook it on whatever you're pulling. Now you're gonna pull it over here. Find your other hook. Come down. Now pull the strap tight. Pull the little lever up. Now you start ratcheting. See that right there? It's tighter than a banjo string on a backyard porch. Even sounds like one too. Don't, 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 don't. Now, take it back off. Pull your lever back up. All the way up, it goes loose. Now, you just reverse it, okay? Pull it down. Got all your slack out of there. Pull it till it is loose, back to sliding around. You're going to pull both ends till they're about even. Pull your lever again, close it. Then, you're going to roll it up. All the way rolled up. And that is one perfectly rolled ratchet strap, alright? Now you're just going to throw that in the back of the truck or Jeep, wherever you're going to put it. And that is how you use a ratchet strap the real way, the proper way, the Nate Grit Wilson way. So, stay classy, my friends. Stay gritty, and don't be afraid to get dirty. I'm Nate Grit Wilson.